Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. In today's video, I am going to be trying two new brow products. So I have the Revolution Precision Brow Pencil and I also have the Revolution Brow Gel. I love trying on new products, whether it's face, lips, eyes, brows. You know me, I just love testing new makeup here on this channel. So I've got these two products to test, so I'm going to chuck them on my eyebrows and I'm going to let you guys know what I think of them. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Revolution Brow Gel and the Revolution Precision Brow Pencil, please keep watching. Okay guys, my hair has been tied back nice and scruffy. Let's test both of these brow products. I'll put the prices on screen as usual so you guys know how much they cost. So we are going to be testing the pencil first. This is the Revolution Precise Brow Pencil and I've got the shade medium brown. It says keep brows looking sharp with this microblade effect brow pencil. So this is the packaging. This is the pencil right here. So yeah, this is very, very thin. Really, really thin pencil. And then you've got the spoolie on the other side there. Well, I'm not going to do anything special with my eyebrows. I'm just going to do them the way I usually do them. That way it's a fair test. So, but I do love how thin it is. You can get really good precise detail with it. So I'm really hoping it's a good pencil. So it's going to look silly, but this is what I usually do. So I will do a little line in the middle, so right to the top of the bridge of my nose. So I would do just a line like that, then well, it looks like a really good colour for me. It looks really, really good. Now the reason why I do this, I know it looks ridiculous. I saw it on a TikTok, I think, hack once, and I found that I just found the way I do my eyebrows it's just a lot easier. It's just a lot easier. So I'm not going to talk much now, so I just have to concentrate a bit. Add a bit to the front. I take the spoolie here and I just start blending it in the front. Right, I'm just going to now start carving the eyebrows. So I'm just going to grab a little flat brush here. I'm going to start carving them out. So once I've carved it out, I just take the spoolie brush because after going in the middle, it kind of gives that box effect. So I kind of want to get rid of that box effect by just taking the spoolie and just brushing it inwards and just feathering it out. I really like the colour of the eyebrows. I think it's a really good colour for me. And it's a really good pencil. It's really creamy and it goes on very well. It's not too creamy, so it's sort of like in the middle. So it has the slight firmness to it. The only thing I'd say is I'd go through this pencil very, very quickly. I'd recommend probably just to do like little touch-ups. So doing like the tails, filling it in just a little bit, doing the front of your brow. That's probably what I'd recommend using it. I wouldn't recommend that pencil for like the whole brow. Like drawing the shape, filling it in, blending it out, adding a bit more because you're going to go through it so quickly. I'd probably recommend maybe the triangular pencil to use to fill it in and use that pencil just for sharp and definition. So that way you're not going through this very, very quickly. I think it's a great pencil, a really, really good pencil. So let's test out the gel now. So this is the Revolution Brow Gel with Nourishing Avocado Oil and I chose ash brown. So this is what it looks like here in the box. And this is what it looks like right here. Let's see what the actual applicator looks like, the brush one. How big is it? Oh, okay, yeah, so it's quite small. It says on the back, smooth and nourishing brow gel with avocado oil for extra care and colour pigment. Well, pigmentation, but same thing. This might be too pale for me. Doesn't really have a smell to it. The last time I got like the shade medium brown or dark brown, it was way too dark. And I mean, it was super, super dark. That's why I thought this colour would be better. But yeah, it's going to look a bit too light, isn't it? Well, I'm just going to brush it in the eyebrows. Yeah, it's just too light. Oh, I can never get gels right. Never. Oh dear. Well, that brow gel has definitely, yeah, it's definitely set my eyebrows in place because I don't feel like they're going anywhere. It's just a shame about the colour. I wish the colour was just slightly darker, but, you know, I can't win it all. But it is a really nice gel. Definitely hold my brows down. There's not really much to say much about an eyebrow gel, but it felt good. I can definitely see the pigmentation there. I'll bring it closer so you can see, but you can see it has made my eyebrows just that slightly bit lighter. Just by a little bit. But yeah, I think it's really good. I feel like it is going to set my eyebrows really, really well. I feel like they're going to set in place all day. It's just a shame about the colour. But no, I really, really like them. Also as well, I did find when applying the brow gel, I felt like it did mess around my eyebrows a little bit. So I had to go back in with some concealer, and I did have to sharpen them up a little bit. So be a little bit careful when you're using brow gel because it can mess up your eyebrows a little bit. I know some people, they do brow gel first then the pencil, but I just find the brows get too crunchy and I can't blend it in or anything. So I find the gel is best to do last. But it can mess up your eyebrows, so just be a little bit careful when you're applying the gel. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys very much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.